Hey y'all, we got a 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. This is a brand new off the showroom floor. We just did an oil change, you can tell because of the little mishap we got going down there. But we're all good with the oil change. Now we are going to do a review on the M4 GP19 exhaust. So over here we got the M4 GP19 exhaust. It keeps the stock cat here and it just slips into there with a clamp right there. So it is just this piece from here to here. It bolts there and it clamps there. That's it. So this is the M4 GP19. It removes the stock lunchbox looking thing that's sitting out back here. Gets rid of all that, opens this up. A lot cleaner of a look, obviously a lot better of a sound. So we're going to start it up. This is not a cold start. It has been driven, it is warm. This is a 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. It's a 636cc bike. It has an M4 GP19 slip-on exhaust, and we're going to start it up. The bike is warm, so we can rev it safely.